Meaning of groin.
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 Groin. The term groin can refer to two different anatomical areas. The first is the crease or depression where the abdomen meets the thigh. This area is also known as the inguinal region. The second meaning of groin refers to a structure used in engineering and construction to create a barrier between land and water. A groin is typically a wall or embankment that extends from the shore into the water. Its purpose is to reduce erosion and protect the shoreline. In short, groin can refer to a body part or a man-made structure used for coastal protection.